Do you hear the amount of mosquito there? This is insane. Been trying to go to sleep, and Kitty and I were just like, I've been attacked. I cannot sleep with the noise. You hear it? It's insane. Full speed. Bye. Alright, did it work? Guess I'm gonna have to live with those ones that are trapped there. I do have the wire of the starting here, but it's pretty tight. So I think this is good. I don't think they come from here. Already came from when we opened the the door when we went outside this afternoon, and now they're just like, alright, mosquitoes. Alright, wish me good luck. I'm gonna go back to sleep. They must enter somewhere. Every time I'm closing the light, I hear like zzz. I'm like, even Kitty. Hey, Kitty. Alright, they enter by that little hole. Right there where the starting is again. Seriously? It's full of them. No. Seriously? They enter into the smallest little crack. It's insane. Maybe like this. I cannot go outside and remove starting. I'm gonna get eat alive and bring 1,000 inside anyway when I'm gonna open the door. Okay, hopefully that's fine. Good bloody morning. I didn't sleep at all. Like 2 hours maybe. And I just smashed a couple inside the van, and they're all full of blood. I'm like, oh yeah, you got me. Oh yeah, you got me. I probably had like 100 mosquito bite, to be honest. It's just insane. I was I put myself inside a blanket, just like leaving my head out. I was sweating, it was hot. They're all over me. Definitely everywhere. Kitty had such a horrible night of sleep that she went underneath the bed right now. She's just like tired. She's just like, I'm done. It's get like yeah. So right now my starting is still obviously outside. You have a mosquito in the lens. So yeah, starting is still outside. I have no idea how I'm gonna go get it. It was supposed to rain. It still didn't rain. I was hoping that the rain will. It's probably like 40 inside right now. Oh my goodness. The rain just started. No, not only I'm gonna be full of mosquito grabbing the Starlink, but I'm gonna be wet too. It's supposed to rain for a good portion of the day, so. Welcome back, day. Sorry about the mosquitoes. Wear long sleeve, long pants. I try to fall back asleep. I can't. It's got like so many mosquitoes. Even Kitty's just annoying right now. So, and I probably had like 100 like bite on me. So I'm gonna make a cup of tea, grab a little something, make something to eat, and yeah, we're gonna go outside, remove the Starlink, and start driving. I can't. It's just like insane right now. There's probably some mosquito in my oatmeal. I don't even know why I made that. I'm not that hungry. I'm sorry, this video is just me complaining about the mosquito, but I just cannot find another topic to talk right now. Other that my plan today was to have a shower here by the lake. I was like, oh, that'd be great. You know, I'm by the lake, it's quiet here, can have a nice shower with my hot tub shower. I would be eaten alive if I was to go outside and have a shower. Oh, even Kitty, she's annoyed right now. She's so cute, trying to catch those fly though. Poor kitty, yeah. It's full of mosquito. I'm sorry. Alright, wish me good luck. I'm gonna go outside, starting. I just can't stand here. I'm gonna put another, because they can go through this. I swear guys, it's just insane. Try to sleep in a small room with 100 mosquito. Let me know how you feel. Oh. I think there's more mosquito inside my van than outside. So this was the issue. It's full of mosquito here. Try to cover the hole as much as I could, and I had the box screen too of the window. The tiny little crack they just went through. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Bye. Let's get out of here. Alright, we drove probably 45 minutes around that. I had mosquito while I was driving, trying to bite me. He's in bed right now. I think I'm gonna go have a nap. Hopefully all the mosquitoes are out now. Some of you are still there? Seriously? Alright, I didn't sleep. Still a bunch of mosquito. Everything is closed. Everything is closed. I'm not taking any chance. I have mosquito bite like insane. I got some there over there. I don't know if you see it. I get eaten alive for real. So I think I'm just gonna drive a little bit, and if I get too tired, I'm gonna stop. But I'm sorry. It's kind of today. It's that type of video, which is like, let me have it. Let me complain a little bit. Feels good to share my my pain with you guys. Oh, those mosquitoes. They said to come north. It will be fun. It's beautiful. Oh, it is. It is beautiful. You cannot go outside though. But it is beautiful. I think next town that I'm gonna buy like mosquito net, like full on everything. I don't know. I'm gonna cover myself. No more chance. No more starting. I know people's gonna telling me like solution to. I'm not going. I'm not. I'm not starting. I'm not going outside right now. I don't want to see one mosquito. I don't want to hear one mosquito. Alright. Hopefully the drive is going to be enjoyable and beautiful. Makes me feel a little bit better. I see those workers that for construction, they're working outside. They just like cover with their hoodie, try to not be eaten alive by the mosquito. I feel bad for them. 8 hours at that? No. Kinda glad that you know, my situation, although I'm itchy still. I think most of the mosquito in the van are gone now. Maybe you cannot see with this camera, but do you see the amount of mosquito all around my van? I wanted to go drop the garbage. I'm not sure. I don't think I can. You look so tired too. Alright guys, I think we have, that's it. That's all I got today. That's all the energy I got. I'm gonna rest here. I think I'm gonna have a little nap with Kelly. I know there's still some mosquito in my van because I'm driving and I saw some, but nothing that I can do. And maybe I'm gonna attempt to run. My problem is like I know I only have like maybe a handful of mosquito inside my van right now, and I'm just like, I close all the windows, everything. I don't want like, if maybe they can come inside the crack of the, no, I don't want like any of chance, so everything is closed right now. And I absolutely don't want to even walk outside to go anywhere. I don't want to take any chance of having more mosquito in my van. Itchy everywhere. Alright guys, I'm sorry about this little bit of complaining video and frustrating video, but
I needed to share that with you, and I guess that's part of van life sometimes. Hopefully all that is behind us. Not sure. I think next big town I'm just like piled up on some mosquito thing, net, whatever. I have mosquito coil, but I cannot burn that in my van. So yeah, hopefully not so much mosquito. I can hear one. I can hear one. You see it? He's right there. All right, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave you with Mosquito. You seem to be as much as annoyed by the mosquito that I am too. I'm so itchy. I know you are. I saw you. I know you're tired. She's really tired. She's got those little eyes, and she's annoyed by me touching her, talking to her. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Alright, guys. We'll see you into the next one.